In today's video, I'm going to walk you through investing on Webull as a complete beginner, from a blank account all the way to placing your first real trade, along with a few habits that'll keep you out of the traps most new investors fall into early on. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your account. Sign up with your email and set a secure password. Then work through the standard identity verification. Your name, address, and social security number, followed by uploading a photo ID. When it asks you to choose between a cash or margin account, go with cash to start. It's the simpler, lower-risk option, and you can always apply to add margin later once you actually understand how it works. Step 2. Fund it. Link your bank account, either through real-time verification if you're with a major bank, or through micro-deposit verification if it isn't supported instantly. From there, an ACH transfer is your easiest way to fund your account, and it's free, with no minimum deposit required to get started. Step 3. Practice before you risk anything real. This step genuinely matters more than people give it credit for. Webull's paper trading simulator gives you a full-featured, real-time data experience, letting you place trades, test different order types, and get comfortable with how the platform actually works, all without a single real dollar on the line. Spend real time here, not just a few minutes, before moving on to live trading. Step 4. Place your first actual trade. Use the search bar to find a stock by its ticker symbol or company name and tap into its detail page. From there, tap Trade and select Buy. Next, choose your order type. A market order buys immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay instead. Enter how many shares you want, or if you don't have enough for a full share, enter a dollar amount instead, since fractional shares are supported for exactly that situation. Review the order details, including your estimated cost, then confirm. Now, a few genuinely important habits worth carrying with you from here on, straight from the kind of guidance Webull itself gives new investors. Avoid performance chasing, meaning buying into whatever just spiked, since that often just means buying at the top rather than catching something on the way up. Avoid overconcentration too, putting far too much into one single stock or sector, since spreading things out protects you from any one company having a bad day. If you're buying funds, keep an eye on fees like expense ratios, since they quietly chip away at your returns over the years even when they look small. And when the market has a normal expected downturn, resist the urge to panic sell, since locking in a loss during a routine dip is one of the more common ways new investors hurt themselves. And that covers the full journey. Open your account, fund it, practice first, and place that first trade with intention rather than impulse. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.